Hello, today I would like to explain an important website called Higgsfield. It is a platform that works like a library of AI tools, allowing users to create images using some of the most well-known models such as Nano Banana, Flux, and Seedream. Higgsfield also offers powerful video creation and editing features. Users can generate videos directly on the website, edit them inside the platform, and use motion control tools to manage movements, animations, and visual effects with precision. Overall, Higgsfield provides a complete and professional environment for creating high-quality images and videos using artificial intelligence. Of course, you can also create your own character exactly the way you want. You can either use custom prompts or choose directly from the options available on the platform. Today, I have two major announcements for you. First, Higgsfield has introduced a way for creators to make money using the platform. Second, Kling 3.0 is coming soon to Higgsfield, bringing even more powerful and advanced video generation capabilities. These updates make Higgsfield an even stronger platform for professional AI image and video creation. We've already seen how good Kling 2.6 is, and from what I can see online, Kling 3.0 looks extremely promising. Now, don't get me wrong, Kling 2.6 is already amazing. It's currently my favorite video generation model, and all the virtual videos you're seeing here have been generated using the 2.6 model. That's why I'm genuinely excited to see what the next generation will bring to the table. From early leaks and some research I've been able to gather, I've found a bit of information about what we can expect from the new Kling 3.0 model. Now, here's what we know so far, or at least what we can expect from the next generation model. I got this information from the Higgsfield blog section, by the way, and I'll also put the link to this article in the description so you can check it out yourself. First of all, and this is huge, you'll be able to generate 4K quality videos with higher frame rates. Right now, the maximum you can get is up to 1080p, not just with Kling, but with most major video generators as well. So if Kling actually pulls this off, it will be a massive upgrade. I'm really looking forward to this because it will make your visuals even sharper and allow you to truly take your creativity to the next level. Next up is in-painting and AI video editing. Just like Kling 1.0, you'll be able to edit videos and use in-painting to make specific changes to your footage. This is going to help a lot when it comes to adding special effects, editing characters, or modifying scenes exactly the way you want. And when you combine this with 4K quality and enhanced frame rates, the results are going to look absolutely incredible. Next is improved physics and character interactions. Now, as good as Kling 2.6 is, there are still moments where the characters can feel a bit robotic. Kling 3 promises to fix that, and if this turns out to be true, you'll be able to create much smoother, more dramatic scenes that feel far more natural and personal rather than artificial. When it comes to physics, I'm already very happy with how the 2.6 model performs, but if they manage to upgrade it even further, you'll be able to create more complex scenes with better, more realistic physics, especially for VFX-heavy scenes. And that's definitely something to look forward to. And finally, you'll be able to generate videos that are up to 60 seconds long. Now, this is huge. If this turns out to be true, oh my god, it could completely change the video generation game. It means you'll be able to create longer scenes or full sequences without having to cut every 5 or 10 seconds. You'll be able to tell your story in a much better, more cinematic way. This would truly be a game changer, and I'm really hoping this feature becomes a reality. Here's some more information I was able to gather about the Kling 3 model. I found this from a Reddit post that compares the previews with the new Kling 3.0 model. And I'll also put the link in the description so you can check it out yourself. From what we can see here, you can expect better audio quality compared to the 2.6 model. It will also introduce something called director memory, which helps maintain better scene and character consistency compared to the older 01 model. On top of that, there is a storyboard feature that can generate an entire sequence from a single prompt. Pretty cool. Now, this next feature is actually my favorite so far, improved motion control. As we all know, Kling 2.6 already has excellent motion control and has basically been breaking the internet with this model. With Kling 3, this feature is expected to be taken to an entirely new level, and I'm really looking forward to it in particular. So these are some of the key upgrades you can expect from the new Kling 3 model. You can also join the waitlist if you want to be among the first to try it out once it officially launches. I'll leave that link in the description as well. Now, in the meantime, let me show you how to use Kling 2.6 to create amazing visuals and how you can also create viral videos like the ones taking over social media. To get started, simply click the link in the description and it will take you to this interface. From here, hover over Videos and then select the Kling 2.6 model. Now here's an example of a video I created using the Kling 2.6 model. This is the input image, this is the prompt I used, and here's the final output. Hello, Sparrow. Long time no see. That was amazing, right? The lip sync, the voice, the movements, it honestly looks like a scene straight out of a movie. And if Kling 3 is supposed to be even better, just imagine how incredible the results are going to be. Here's another example. This time, I used the Kling 2.5 start and end frame model. These are the first and last frame images, and I used a very simple prompt. Now take a look at the output. Just look at how smoothly it generated the scenes in between the frames. An outstanding result from Kling. I'm telling you, you won't believe how good this is until you try it yourself. Absolutely amazing. For now, you can join the waitlist and start using the other Kling models to create some truly amazing content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.